Typically, when you want to introduce something new in a company, usually the problem is not the tool itself. If you're talking about software innovation, like, I don't know, a CRM, or if you're talking about robotic cells, or if you're talking whatever technology you want to introduce, the problem is not the technology, is not the tool. The problem is the user adoption, the so-called user adoption. So basically what you need to do is to prepare the ground to have not a rejection, but a smooth adoption of this technology. And the only way is to build a culture, build a new culture. So the colleagues has talked about academy. We also have an academy. So there are many factors, I think, that in our three companies are very similar. Even if the sectors are different, even if the sizes are different, but there are some touch points which are the same for all of us. So we are local but global. We invest heavily in technology, in Industry 4.0. We have noticed the video, which is nice, because even if the three companies were invited completely separately, but in our video, probably you have seen a Comau robot. In the Bonfiglioli video, you have seen a Modula, which is integrated with a robot, which is not Comau, but anyway, was a robot integration. And you don't see, but Bonfiglioli is a supplier of gear motors of Modula. So it's probably one of the best suppliers that we have. So the three companies which work totally in different sectors, I think that they have a lot of touch points. And the basics, anyway, coming back to the point, how to convince or how to successfully adopt technology in the company is first vision, because you need to have the vision of doing it. And this typically is something that comes from the entrepreneur and from the upper management, and then prepare the ground for the adoption. And so working with the people and not showing them that is something that you put on their head, but something that they want to adopt. They need to be part of this change.